Good morning to you, and how do you do? Good morning, dear red room. Good morning to you. It was a great nature week this week, and we have some messy and fun nature activity for you. Hey, how are you? So now we're doing our messy project. Are you ready to get messy? Good. So I have these awesome helpers, Rotem and Ella, and what do we need, girls? We need paint.
Cardboard, water.
Try to find big cardboards and cut them.
If you want.
Paper plates, as much as the colors you want. Water in a little bucket so they can dip their foot.
And knives to spread the paint.
And knife to spread the paint. So first thing they did, every one of them chose 2 colors. Now put the colors in the plate. And we have here the knives, so we can spread it all over. You can put a little bit more color. Spreading all over. A little bit more. I want the color to be all over the plate, so when she put her feet in it,
Which is what we're going to do.
it will cover. Yeah, so today we're not going to use brushes. They're going to use, what are you going to use, girls?
Feet.
Their feet. Yeah.
First.
So spread it.
Those look like paint and more like jelly for some reason.
Yeah. It's more thick color, that's why it looks like jelly.
Okay,
I think you can put a little bit more.
Can I start now? Yeah, of course. Okay, so now what you do is you take your foot, choose which color you want to start with, and you dip it in the color. And then you like paint all over the cardboard you cut. And it's really fun, but you have to be careful because the paint slides you around. Even on the paint. And then when you finish with the color and you want to move on to the next, you step onto the water and wash your foot off a little. It might take a bit.
You can use your other foot too, you know.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say.
No, for the other color I meant.
I know. And then when you have a nice clean foot, you can stick it into the next color. Wash. And boom.
Can you show how you paint with your toes?
Yeah. So to paint with your toes, you put paint on your toes, or you can do it with your whole feet. And you just like make a little drawing by moving your toe around.
And what about your heel? Can you draw with your heel? Rotem, can you show me?
Totally. Rotem's gonna show you now how you draw with your heel.
Wait, I need to get all the green off.
You can use your other foot.
Oh. But I'm going to use a different color.
Okay. Take your leg out of the water. It will be easier.
Be super careful with the paint. It is super slippery.
Look,
Yeah.
I'm using
Woohoo!
So be super careful with the paint. It's slippery. That's how you paint with your heel. You can make footprints like Rotem did, or you can just mix it up and make a painting like I did. And then
that looks like Owen.
Can yellow and purple mixed together. You couldn't mix colors, but you shouldn't mix them on your colors so that you have all these colors to mix.
Yeah, and you can have a lot of cardboards waiting and let them do pictures with different colors. You can mix colors together, or you can wash your hands like Rodham is doing between colors.
Not hands.
Yeah, you're right. Wash your feet between the colors.
For more people in there.
Enjoy! So now we're going around our backyard to look for some amazing stuff to use for a project. If you go to the park or you're going to nature, take a little bag or a basket and collect stuff you find on the floor. Look, they're not picking from the trees. They're not taking stuff that are growing, only stuff that fell on the floor. Ella, do you want to show us what you have until now?
So I have a bunch of things. I have beautiful leaves. I have petals that fell. I have little sticks that are small enough. I have rocks. But don't get a rock this big. It is too big and it won't work and you won't be able to glue it.
Rodham, do you want to come and show them what you have or what you find? See, just look on the ground, see whatever you can pick. Show us, Rodham.
I have a lot of sticks. Small sticks and big sticks. You can have this small, big, but not bigger.
Okay.
Like this stick. You cannot have this stick. It's too long and too big.
Good. And we want to have a lot of stuff so we can use it. Look how much Rodham already collected.
Have even this. And I have petals and rocks. This one is okay, but bigger, no.
Great.
Leaves like this you can find on the floor just as easy as you can pick off from a tree. And on the ones on the floor are more beautiful because they're older and they look different.
Oh, and I'm not finished. I found this.
Great. So we'll keep on looking. Sorry.
I think I'm done looking. My basket is like full.
These. Oh, but
Petals?
still kind of like they were kind of bad.
Okay, thank you, Rodham. So
I'm
now
not
we
finished.
you have something else? Okay.
Wow, Rosen found a lot of
Okay.
things.
So while Rodham is looking, I'll just say we will keep looking and we will have our basket full. And I'll show you later what we can do with
found it.
all the amazing stuff we found. Show us.
Where I have to like get it.
So we're back and we have a lot of amazing stuff in our baskets. Do you want to see? You wanted to show them something that you found. You want to show them? What's that?
Petals.
Yes, she found feathers too, and more petals and leaves. And now we will go and do our nature collage. So you will get a paper,
And then
and you have glue. We have regular glue and we have sparkly
for
glue.
regular glue.
I
Okay.
prefer sparkly glue.
You can use both. And we have a little bit of leftover of colors, so we brought it. Maybe they want to decorate around it.
So you kind of like paint with the glue. And then you stick on the things that you're
Oh,
gluing.
Here.
I actually prefer this because that.
Okay, I need the glue.
And look, I'm taking the leaves, I put some glue on, and I'll stick it.
Why is it the glitter glue coming out, Mom?
Maybe it's dry. Just open it and use the,
Regular glue on it.
no, you can use this to put some glue.
So now I gotta stick with glue. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to create Okay, so I made the big trunk, and now I'm
Yeah.
gonna make the roots. Oh, I'm gonna make like a tree background.
I'm borrowing some stuff from you guys. You have such amazing things.
Oh, this is globby. The glue is globby.
Globby. I like your choice of words all the time. And then I'm just gonna glue on a bunch of leaves.
So you can use the glue, use everything you found. If you want to use a little bit of color, you can use the color. You don't have to. And just be creative about it.
You can make so many different stuff.
Yeah. We'll keep on work and we will show you the amazing stuff we did. And I hope you enjoy this and send us some pictures so we can see the amazing stuff you did.